We have a small space sa room namin where we keep all the toys and books ni Luke. Normally, we keep them sa toy boxes pag hindi siya naglalaro. Pero most of the time, it's on the floor, ang kalat, halo-halo. So we decided to organize. Hi everyone! Today we decided to do a small space toy area makeover.
Try nating ayusin tong toy area ni baby. Sobrang kalat. Almost a year naming tinitiis ang kalat niyan. Meron kami biniling murang toy organizer. Lalagyan namin din ng konting accent yung dingding para matuwa si baby. Okay?
Okay, so let's start! With the wall accent, naisip namin na maglagay ng star, sun, and moon as a design. We used the spray paint para mas madali. The colors that we used is gray, silver, and yellow. We kept the design simple para mas malinis. By the way guys, before you start, as a gentle reminder, since we're going to use a spray paint, huwag nyo kalimutan na magsuot ng mask and gloves for safety. And don't forget your ventilation, dapat naka-open yung windows. Since meron kaming ilalagay na toy organizer sa baba, my husband suggested na ilagay na lang yung wall accent design sa taas para hindi matabunan. Yung size ng wall accent, depende sa wall or room ninyo. But for us, since small yung area, we settled for a smaller size. It looks easy, pero guys, you have to be careful sa pattern kasi kapag hindi lapat na lapat sa wall, sasabog yung paint, magiging maamos yung design. This is the toy organizer na nabili namin. I've been thinking about this, if bibili kami or hindi, kasi pricey, it's expensive. Normally, kapag brand new, ang price range is from 4,500 to 5,200. So, nag-iisip ako kung kailangan ko ba talaga or hindi. But then, ang naisip namin is to look for a pre-loved toy organizer second hand. We got this toy organizer for only 1,900. Not bad kasi mukha siyang bago, hindi siya gamit na gamit. And what I like about this toy organizer, may lalagyan siya ng mga books, which is very important sa amin kasi maraming books si Luke para hindi masayang tsaka magamit niya. Meron lang konting damage. It's not a major issue. So, okay lang. Inayos na lang ni Richard. Happy pa rin kami kasi we were able to save money. Naisip din namin, since meron kaming second child, para ma-preserve namin yung mga toys, magamit ni Chase, dapat merong maayos na organizer na lalagyan. So, this is a very good idea. So, while organizing, ang ginawa namin, nag-declutter na rin kami. So, we reduced the toys to 50%, pati na yung books. We also kept some toys para magkaroon ng rotation yung mga toys na ginagamit ni Luke. Sabi nila, kapag nagro-rotate ang toys, yung interest nila hindi nawawala at hindi sila napuboard. This is also very timely kasi lalo ngayon naka-quarantine tayo, hindi makalabas yung mga bata. They need a space para maglaro, they need toys to keep them entertained. Yes.
Look at the stars.
Look at the stars.
Wow.
Where's the moon?
There.
Where's the sun?
There.
Sun?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
How about the stars?
How many stars?
Can you
One.
count the stars?
2, 3. Wow. Happy.
Yay!